To restrict staff permissions, you're going to navigate over here to Setup on the bottom left-hand side, navigate to Staff on the right-hand side, and then click into the staff account that you would like to restrict permissions for. I've got Zark over here, and if I scroll down, you'll see that he's got permission to all of the different parts of the system. However, I don't want him to have access to everything, so I'm going to go ahead and deselect all of those 54 items and select only the items that I want him to have access to. So I'm going to say that I want him to have access to my blog, to the forms, to the funnels, and that's it. I'll then go ahead and hit save to save those changes. And now Zark only has access to 5 sections of the 54 sections within the system. So if I give Zark a password quickly and I log in as him, there we go. Let me reset his password. I'm going to open a new incognito window and log in as Zark. All right, here we go. Let me log in as him quickly. And there you go. You'll see that his access to the system has been restricted to only the funnels, forms, and blog. So that is how you can restrict staff access within the system.